Hi everyone. I know that lots of you can count to very high numbers, but today we're going to look at how we can use numbers by counting different sets of things and adding them up. What do I mean when I say adding up? Well, if I have one thing, let's say Mr. Cowan had one biscuit with his cup of tea, and then he had another one, and I said, "How many biscuits did you eat with your tea?" We needed to add them up to find out how many he had. So he had one biscuit first. You hold up one finger for that one. Then he ate another biscuit. Hold up another finger for that one. Then count the fingers you've got held up. 1, 2. Yes, 2. You counted one finger for each biscuit and you made a sum. 1 and 1 is 2. We sometimes say 1 plus 1 equals 2. And if you wanted to write it down, it looks like this. 1 plus 1 equals 2. This is the sign that means plus and this is the sign that means equals. That means that they are together. There are other things you can do to help you add up as well. When I needed to see how many tomatoes were left in the bowl, there were so many I didn't want to get muddled up, so this is what I did. I drew a line on a piece of paper for each tomato as I took it out of the bowl, and then I counted up all the lines I had drawn, just like this. So I did one line for the first tomato, then I took another one out of the bowl and I did another line, and then another line, and another line, and then I took the last tomato out of the bowl and I drew another line. And then I counted all the lines to see how many there were. Will you help me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, there were 5 tomatoes. I knew I was right that there were 5 because when I counted them, I put my finger on each line very carefully, and I had only drawn one line for each tomato as I took it out of the bowl, so I knew I was right. You could try making different marks to add up when you count sets of things. You could draw little shapes instead of lines. You could even try to copy what it is that you're counting. But then, when you've counted them all and got the total, that means all of them together, you could try to write the number next to the marks you've made, just like I did. What number did I write? I wrote 5 because there were 5 tomatoes. I wonder which way you'll choose to make a sum. Maybe you could have a try at all the different ways. Let me know. Bye.